Hello friends, welcome to our channel Shorthand Master. At the beginning of my every video, I request all of you that if you have not subscribed this channel yet, please click the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Your one subscription is very important for the growth of this channel, and also you will never miss any new shorthand dictation videos. Thank you. Today I will give you dictation number 47 at 80 words per minute. So be ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start. Friends, today it is a matter of great pleasure to inaugurate the Consumer Protection Forum in this city. The government has in recent times been trying hard to protect the interest of consumers through legal and administrative measures. As a result of this step, a large number of forums have already been established in almost all the important towns and cities of the states, and from the reports my department is receiving from time to time, the functioning of these forums is quite satisfactory. Directives have been issued to save the people from the malpractices. The clear instructions have been given to the manufacturers that the date of manufacture and date of expiry of the products should be marked on the packages. The actual measurement of weight and quantity should also be mentioned on the food packages and beverages. Legislative measures have been supported by a careful watch on the prices to control the increase in prices of the consumer goods. It has resulted in the reduction of prices of various food articles and thereby strengthening the public distribution system. All these measures have been welcomed not only by the consumers but also by the manufacturers and retailers. Para change. It is only happened recently that efforts in building up the voice of the consumer have been made by the Consumer Council of India and the other similar organizations at the state level. I am sure these organizations will streamline their functioning and render effective services to the people at large. Whatever the improvement in the situation that has been registered, it mainly due to the easy availability of almost all consumer items. However, sometimes shortage of these items are created artificially by the traders and suppliers. On this note, I am sorry to say that in spite of many steps taken by the government in the direction of protecting the consumers' interest, there is still malpractices and hoarding in several fields of manufacturing and distribution. Therefore, the authorities concerned as well as the public should be more vigilant and should take a serious view if any such instances coming to their notice, then they should immediately approach the concerned authorities for remedial actions. Any welfare measure introduced by the government can only be implemented effectively with the active help and support of everyone concerned in the matter. Stop. Friends, if you really want to improve your shorthand speed, make sure to practice these phrases which I give at the end of my each dictation video. And also, if you want to practice more dictation videos like this, you can check out the playlist available on my channel. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe this channel for more useful shorthand dictation videos and advanced phrases. Thank you for watching this channel. Keep practicing. See you in the next dictation video. Bye.